Hey guys, this is Matt from Boston Innovation along with Luddite Dave, and we're in Copley Place to show you the vending machine of the future. So as you can see here, vending machine, pay by credit card, which I'm going to do. Alright, so once you've done that, move through your selections here. It also runs advertisements at the top and the bottom of the display. So let's see what I want. Try Coke. If you select that, it rolls up this fully touchscreen Coke bottle. You can roll around, check out nutrition facts. Very cool. And so it tells me my card's already swiped. I'm gonna hit Buy Me. Nice, Vending. There it is. Welcome to the future.